初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
Hi, how are you today?
Hi, how are you today?
嗨，你今天好吗？
Hi, how are you today?
Hi, how are you today?
I'm your new neighbor.
I'm your new neighbor.
我是你的新邻居。
I'm your new neighbor.
I'm your new neighbor.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
很高兴认识你。
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Where do you live?
Where do you live?
你住在哪里？
Where do you live?
Where do you live?
I live next door.
I live next door.
我住在隔壁。
I live next door.
I live next door.
How long have you lived here?
How long have you lived here?
你在这里住了多久？
How long have you lived here?
How long have you lived here?
The weather is nice today.
The weather is nice today.
今天天气很好。
The weather is nice today.
The weather is nice today.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
祝你今天愉快。
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
See you around.
See you around.
回头见。
See you around.
See you around.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
欢迎来到这个社区。
Welcome to the neighborhood.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
Can I borrow a hammer?
Can I borrow a hammer?
我能借一把锤子吗？
Can I borrow a hammer?
Can I borrow a hammer?
Do you have some tape?
Do you have some tape?
你有胶带吗？
Do you have some tape?
Do you have some tape?
Can I use your ladder?
Can I use your ladder?
我能用你的梯子吗？
Can I use your ladder?
Can I use your ladder?
I'll return it tomorrow.
I'll return it tomorrow.
我明天还给你。
I'll return it tomorrow.
I'll return it tomorrow.
Thank you for lending it.
Thank you for lending it.
谢谢你借给我。
Thank you for lending it.
Thank you for lending it.
Do you need it back soon?
Do you need it back soon?
你需要很快拿回去吗？
Do you need it back soon?
Do you need it back soon?
I borrowed it last week.
I borrowed it last week.
我上周借的。
I borrowed it last week.
I borrowed it last week.
I brought back your book.
I brought back your book.
我把你的书带回来了。
I brought back your book.
I brought back your book.
Here's your umbrella.
Here's your umbrella.
这是你的伞。
Here's your umbrella.
Here's your umbrella.
Thanks for your help.
Thanks for your help.
谢谢你的帮助。
Thanks for your help.
Thanks for your help.
Can you help me carry this?
Can you help me carry this?
你能帮我搬这个吗？
Can you help me carry this?
Can you help me carry this?
I need a ride to town.
I need a ride to town.
我需要搭车去城里。
I need a ride to town.
I need a ride to town.
Could you watch my dog?
Could you watch my dog?
你能帮我照看一下我的狗吗？
Could you watch my dog?
Could you watch my dog?
Can you water my plants?
Can you water my plants?
你能帮我浇花吗？
Can you water my plants?
Can you water my plants?
My car won't start.
My car won't start.
我的车发动不了。
My car won't start.
My car won't start.
I locked myself out.
I locked myself out.
我把自己锁在外面了。
I locked myself out.
I locked myself out.
Do you know a good plumber?
Do you know a good plumber?
你认识好的水管工吗？
Do you know a good plumber?
Do you know a good plumber?
There's a leak in my home.
There's a leak in my home.
我家漏水了。
There's a leak in my home.
There's a leak in my home.
I heard strange noises.
I heard strange noises.
我听到了奇怪的声音。
I heard strange noises.
I heard strange noises.
Can you check it out?
Can you check it out?
你能检查一下吗？
Can you check it out?
Can you check it out?
Are you going to the BBQ?
Are you going to the BBQ?
你要去烧烤会吗？
Are you going to the BBQ?
Are you going to the BBQ?
There's a meeting tonight.
There's a meeting tonight.
今晚有个会议。
There's a meeting tonight.
There's a meeting tonight.
Let's have coffee together.
Let's have coffee together.
我们一起喝咖啡吧。
Let's have coffee together.
Let's have coffee together.
Do you want to join us?
Do you want to join us?
你想加入我们吗？
Do you want to join us?
Do you want to join us?
We're having a garage sale.
We're having a garage sale.
我们在搞车库甩卖。
We're having a garage sale.
We're having a garage sale.
The park event is tomorrow.
The park event is tomorrow.
公园活动是明天。
The park event is tomorrow.
The park event is tomorrow.
Bring your kids to the party.
Bring your kids to the party.
带你的孩子来参加派对。
Bring your kids to the party.
Bring your kids to the party.
Let's go for a walk.
Let's go for a walk.
我们去散步吧。
Let's go for a walk.
Let's go for a walk.
We're starting a book club.
We're starting a book club.
我们要成立一个读书俱乐部。
We're starting a book club.
We're starting a book club.
Hope to see you there.
Hope to see you there.
希望在那里见到你。
Hope to see you there.
Hope to see you there.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。